Hi, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, I want to discuss how you can reuse or reassign a value to the same variable in C. So let's get started with our main function here. Okay, so let's declare an integer variable named age, and let's initially set the age to 41. Okay. Then we can pass it into a printf statement. We can say Dean is %D years old at the end of supernatural. I'll do an escape character and an N to bring that to the next line, and we'll pass age in. Now, let's say I wanted to reassign this. Well, I could. I could say age equals 400 million. Yep, I think I got enough zeros there. And I could printf Castiel is %D years old at the end of supernatural. Okay, I can reassign it again to equal 80 and say something like printf Sam is percentage, get the percentage here, D years old at the end of supernatural. Okay, and again, we pass in the age. And at the end of this, I can return 0. Okay. All right, so let's save this and let's check that it works. So we'll compile it into, let's just call it reuse var, and let's run it. And you'll see that even though we're using the same variable, because we're reassigning it, we can put different values in the variable. So anyways, I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, as it really does help the channel grow. And I hope to see you in the next one. Have a good day.